Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a hummingbird. The only bird that can fly backward and can flap its wings 80 times per second. Take a pencil and draw a diagonal line. Add a circle to the top for the head. Draw a horizontal line with a slight bend at the end for the beak. Add the eye. Draw a triangle for the body, add a curve for the belly. Draw a T with a curve for the feet. Start drawing the wings with a horizontal and a diagonal line. Add a straight line with a curve to complete the shape of each wing. Add lines in a fan pattern, this gives some movement to the wings. Draw a trumpet flower with a diagonal line and add a semicircle at each end. Draw a petal on each side with a wavy line. Add 2 curves and 3 dots in the center for the stamens. Draw a curve for the stem with 2 almond-shaped leaves. And our pencil sketch is done. Now we take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Make one shape of the tail, body, head, and beak. Connect the beak and tail with smooth curves and give them some thickness. Draw an oval for the eye. Draw around the sketch lines of the feet to give it thickness. Draw only half of the fanning lines in the wings. Add 3 little sepals under the flower. Give the stem thickness by drawing a double line. And our line work is done. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. Now we can color our hummingbird. We use green, blue, purple, orange, yellow, pink and an orange-red. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.